You ever notice how helping someone close to you sometimes ends up backfiring?
Totally. It's like the closer you are, the harder it is to actually help or get help from them.
Exactly. That's one of those hidden laws. Don't give your house to someone you know too well. Doesn't end well.
And also, don't move into someone's place just because you know them. Feel safe, but you lose your own power in that space.
Right? It's like you enter their territory and suddenly you can't think straight. No growth, just stuck energy.
I love how you said that. Being stuck is real. Even if they're trapped, you shouldn't go there to rescue them. You lose too.
Yep. If they're caged, don't walk into the cage. Go build your strength outside, then meet again, if it aligns.
That's hard though. We want to fix things, especially when we feel guilty for our role in the situation.
Sure, guilt creeps in, but some part of the pain, that's your share to process and release, not to be a hero.
So you're saying help, but from a distance with boundaries?
Exactly. Maybe give support, but not in the same house, not in that same energetic trap.
This feels like spiritual law disguised as real estate advice. Laughs.
Haha, it is. Even choosing tenants can follow this. Like, don't just go easy on someone because they seem nice.
Yeah. Offer terms. If they accept humbly, great. But you've got to test the waters a bit.
Make the conditions clear. That clarity pulls out their real character fast.
And when you rent cheap places, that's where you really need stronger boundaries.
Yup. Cheap houses bring more chaos. Expensive places attract folks with more self-control, usually.
Makes sense. It's not about judging poor people. It's about recognizing where structure is missing.
Exactly. Sometimes losing a job just means you've lost your credit energy. It's not evil, it's imbalance.
So we respond to the imbalance, not the person. Adjust the filter, not the faucet.
Perfect metaphor. And the youth today, they don't want advice. They want clear guides, bullet points, flowcharts.
Oh yeah. If you can't explain it like a PDF, they're out. Laughs.
So maybe we owe it to them to put our life lessons into formats they can actually use.
Absolutely. If we don't, they'll repeat our cycles, and that's the real tragedy.
Right. It's our job to clean up the blueprint, not just pass down broken pieces.
Feels like spiritual responsibility wrapped in practical wisdom.
And that's what today's talk was. Practical laws we better not ignore.
Totally. A little tough love, a little soul math.
Haha, yeah. See you next time with more field-tested truths.
Can't wait. Let's keep unlearning and relearning.